Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm sharing all of the essential oils that we use regularly in the season of fall. I did this video around spring, summer, so I wanted to do an updated one so that we can, the oils that we change obviously change with the seasons, and so I wanted to share what we're using currently. Okay, there's three main categories that we use essential oils for the most in the fall. Germ, so immune support, and mood boost. When it gets colder, you get like sad that summer's over, not everyone, but some people. And then we use diffuser blends galore in the fall. It's my favorite time to diffuse essential oils for scent. So those are the three main categories. These are two. There are so many different immune support blends though. Whatever brand you use, I'm sure has an essential oil blend for immune support. These are two different ones. They're very similar, but they have one different ingredient or one different oil. This has eucalyptus and this has sacred frankincense. Other than that, they both have clove, cinnamon, lemon, orange, oregano, mandarin, thyme, rosemary, nutmeg, and ginger root. So many powerful essential oils. I will link some of the places I like to get research done and just looking up specific essential oils, but they are all very powerful, packed into one little blend. So we make rollers out of these. I have little rollers and I'll link the video, but my essential oil accessory video, I have these little keychain things for the girls, rollers on keychains that they put in their backpack. I have this roller just on my nightstand, so I have them in places where we're going to remember to use them. But being consistent with immune support oils is really important, and I have found very helpful. We also do not miss a day on our probiotics, our multivitamins, our supplements there. Oil of oregano, I just was recently doing research on. It's supposed to be really helpful for immune support, so I'm going to get some of that. Gaia is one of my favorite, supplement brands. I also love Rocky Mountain. They have a brand called Tohi. I think that's what it's called. I just got their probiotic. It's amazing, but they also have some other things. So I would go on their website. They just revamped their supplements, so go check those out. And the next category is mood support. And so like I said, I get a little bit sad when summer's over. I know some people are the opposite. I used to be super excited for fall, but now we soak up summer and we love it so much, and it's our favorite time of the year. So when it's over, it gets a little sad. So mood support is another reason that we use essential oils so much, and it just helps, and it's proven. And there's so many just different resources on how essential oils affect your mood, but some of my favorites are Joy. And again, I'm sorry if this isn't focusing. I have no way of seeing if it is. So this is a blend of like floral and citrus. This is originally by Young Living. Revive copycats all of their oils, but it's the same exact blend. This is bergamot, lemon, tangerine, ylang ylang, coriander, palmarosa, geranium, jasmine, chamomile, and rose. Besides Valor, it's my favorite essential oil blend. It is very floral though, so if you're not that kind of person, you probably won't like it. It just really makes me so happy though. This is one of my favorite oils of all time. So that is my personal, for you, find out what scents and what blends make you happy or boost your mood, and just have that little collection on your nightstand or wherever you're gonna use them, like in the morning. This one's also good energy when it's like darker and cooler out in the mornings. It's harder to get up, so keep this by your bed. Make a roller or just keep it at the bottom by your bed and just take a big whiff, and it will help you get out of bed. This is eucalyptus, lemon, and peppermint, a very simple and basic blend. That is Simply Earth. They are an essential oil company that has a recipe box that you can get each month. It's really fun. I unbox it here, so make sure you go look if you're interested. But they have very high quality oils. Aromatherapists create the blends and the recipes, and this one just wakes you up. It's invigorating. Eucalyptus, peppermint, and lemon would also be really good for congestion. Those are all really good support oils for immune and congestion. So we like to make chest rubs and oils or rollers for that. Emery has a constant congested head. We're actually going to the chiropractor right now for that specifically, because she will not clear her congestion. I don't know. So we're working on that with oils and chiropractor. But this is an Eden's Garden blend, and I rave about their blends all the time because they are superior. They have vanilla, which is CO2, vanilla planifolia. I did a video all on vanilla if you're interested in that too. Just search it on my channel. But this is a blend that it is minty sweet and warm, all in the same. It's peppermint, clementine, coriander, basil, yuzu, melissa, orange, rosemary, and then the vanilla. It is amazing. And the vanilla in their blends really set their blends apart. And this is the bougie or the like expensive vanilla too. Well, if you watch the vanilla video, you'll see their blends. They're called Synergy blends and they're amazing. Okay, last is my favorite because I was a hardcore fall candle lover, like a constant fall candles burning, like September 1st through whenever. But anyways, we all know, or you should know by now, that a lot of candles are bad for you, for your furnace. I remember taking out the furnace filter, like changing it after burning candles, and it was just black, like tar. I'm like, okay, if this is what the furnace filter looks like, what is it doing like to us? So anyways, look into your candles though. There are some that aren't harmful, but a lot of them are bad. So instead of burning fall candles, just diffuse. And Rocky Mountain has a couple of kits. I had these last year and I was super excited to get restocked on them because we go through them so much. Every morning I'm like, what fall blend? Like as soon as it's like below 70 degrees, I'm like, what fall blend am I gonna use today? So this is this is Harvest Festival and Fall Latte kits. There's 4 oils in here, 4 blends, so I'll share them with you. Rocky Mountain is a very high quality brand. I love them because on their Instagram, they have tons of recipes and different ways to practically use your essential oils and different tips and tricks, which are really helpful. They also have on their website tons of information. I love that. And they test their oils. They're just really good quality. And they've been around for a really long time. So this is Peppermint Mocha. It has peppermint, balsam of Peru, and coffee. And this one is pumpkin spice latte. Before I discovered this blend, I would just make my own pumpkin spice latte blend, but this is has coffee in it, and I never had that before, so this really sets it apart. But it's cinnamon, coffee, orange clove, balsam of Peru, and vanilla. It smells so good. I'll just give you a quick smell test. So it's a lot of like, did I say ginger? It's ginger in here, and it must be the clove. It's just woodsy, spicy, just fall in a bottle, basically. This you need in your life. This next kit is the Harvest Festival kit. It has Spice Chai and Autumn Air. And Autumn Air I've been diffusing nonstop. This is my favorite right now. This is fir, cedarwood, balsam of Peru, elemi, cardamom, coffee, and tonka bean, which I don't even know what that is, but it smells amazing. So this one is a little bit more like tree, calming, kind of grounding, but very just like warm. It smells like autumn air, and it's amazing in the diffuser. The next one is Spice Chai. Spice Chai has coffee, copaiba, bergamot, fenugreek, cardamom, balsam of Peru, cinnamon bark, clove stem, nutmeg, vanilla, which we love, and diffuser blends, ginger. Oh, it says ginger fresh, and then ginger, and then Sichuan pepper. I had no idea all of these were in here. This smells really good. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like a chai. Fall. Fume has a really good Spice Chai blend to put in your fume and inhale, which I love. It's so calming. But this smells, it's just so good. Like plants and spice, basically. Okay, that is just 4 essential oil blends for fall out of like pretty much hundreds, thousands, I don't know. And you can make your own too. So if you don't want to buy a blend or whatever, I'll link down below in this blog post. I have a whole PDF of fall diffuser blends that are really good. So if you just have some single essential oils on hand that you want to make a quick blend with, it's really good. You can make rollers too if you like perfume, like pumpkin. You want to smell like a pumpkin spice latte, you can make a roller. The possibilities are endless. But a lot of these oils that are in the fall blends, like cinnamon, clove, all of those are actually like really powerful essential oils too in like immune support, like these two. So I really love fall essential oils. It's probably my favorite time of year to use essential oils. I feel like we went from like boo-boo and bumps blends from summer to just let me make my house smell so cozy and boost my mood in the fall. So that's how we've kind of transitioned from summer to fall in essential oils. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions on brands or anything that I talked about. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.